telling you all this because you're a writer. You can put it to use. I swear to you, if he'd wounded himself seriously, I wouldn't have gone on living another minute. Not that I'm not brave. I've gone and made up my mind. I'll rip his love out of my heart. Rip it up by the roots.
How soon?
I'm getting married. To Medvedenko.
That's the school teacher?
Yes.
I don't see the necessity.
Loving hopelessly. Waiting and waiting for years on end for something. But once I'm married, there'll be no room for love. No problem to blot out the old one. Anyhow, you know, it makes a change. Shall we have another?
Aren't you overdoing it?
No, go ahead. Don't look at me like that. Women drink more often than you think. A few drink openly like me, but most do it on the sly. Yes, and it's always vodka or brandy. Here's to you. You're a nice man, and I'm sorry you're going away.
Well, if it were up to me, I wouldn't be going away.
Then ask her to stay.
No, she won't stay now. Her son's been acting very tactlessly. First he tries to shoot himself. Now I hear he intends to challenge me to a duel. And what for? He fusses and feuds and preaches about new forms. But there's room enough for everyone, isn't there? What is the point in this shoving?
Well, it's jealousy too. Though, that's no business of mine. My school teacher isn't very bright, but he's a decent sort. Poor too. And awfully in love with me. I feel sorry for him. And I feel sorry for his poor old mother. Well, sir, please accept my best wishes. Think kindly of us. Thanks a lot for your consideration. Do send me your book, and be sure there's an inscription. Only don't make it out to dear Madame, but simply to Masha, of no known family and who lived in this world for no apparent reason. Goodbye.